Chef and Builder Janie P. We're back in the kitchen where today we're going to be talking about a laundry soap, okay? My homemade laundry soap. I've gotten just hundreds and hundreds of thousands of views on this video. I want to thank all of my 51,000 subscribers for subscribing. If you want to subscribe, I'm going to put a link down below in the show more box so that you can subscribe that way, or you can just hit the subscribe button and next to that hit the bell, okay? Just hit that bell. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you if there's any differences between the way I make my powdered laundry soap. Have I improved it? Have I changed anything? And what are all the ingredients that are going in? Okay, we're going to get a little bit more detailed on it. People want to know, and I'm going to answer your questions. Well, okay, now here I have just filled up my Ninja blender with 1.5 bars of Zote soap, and that's 400 grams per bar. So that's 600 grams total. Now this just isn't going to chop this up just like this. So inside of here, I'm going to add a cup of washing soda, and a cup of borax. That'll be enough to help get this powdered up. And let me put in my last few little pieces here. See how easy that was to just cut up? There we go. And I'm going to put on my lid. Sure and line up those arrows. Sure it snaps down. I'm going to hit my power button and I'm going to pulse it. I'm going to have to hang on to it. Okay, that is it. A food processor works for this as well. Now we're going to take this mixture here and we're going to put it right here into, trust me, your dishes will be clean after this. We're going to put it into a garbage bag, okay? Make sure the garbage bag doesn't have any holes in it. There we go. One swift hit, we'll do that. Actually, we're done with this now. I saved the other half of this bar here. I saved it for my makeup brushes. I'm going to add about a cup of baking soda. Now baking soda is it's a little bit of a scrubber. It's different than washing soda. You can take baking soda, put it in the oven at a low temperature of about 225, 200, and you can turn it in to washing soda. It becomes a different product. So now we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 cups of washing soda. Oxol Clean and Fresh, safe for colors, multi-purpose stain remover, Oxyol from the dollar store. I'm just going to put in what I got there. Usually I put in about a half cup to a cup of that. That's all I had left. And now this right here is the borax. Let me get the chunks out of it here. Borax is not boric acid, okay? See, I'll touch it. Whitener or a brightener. And this also helps make, if you're doing the liquid, this really helps make that thicken up and gel up nicely. There's 3. I'm only going to do 4 of those. Borax, if you're doing baby laundry, I suggest you leave this out, or very, very little, no more than 1/4 to half a cup of this for all of this, okay? Leave that out. They say it's an inhibitor for male hormone in children. You know, diaper creams and things like that. Make sure it doesn't have borax in your diaper creams. They just use it as a whitener. But borax is not a bleach, but it is a good bleach replacement for whites. But you can also use it on darks, and it is color safe. It's been 7 years since I've been using my own laundry detergent, and I would never go back. Ask my husband, I would never go back, would I, John?
Nope.
And you just put it in a trash bag like this. Mix it well. If you want to add a little more Zote to it, you can. I do 1.5 bars. That's 600 grams. I'm just going to mix this really well. I'm sorry, most of this is mixing. Just So lean it over your sink, just like that right there, so the bowl is down lower. We're going to trim off the point here. And we've got a gallon jar here. I'll show you. This. 2 different scoops that I use. This is for a regular load. This is for an extra large load. And it's just the scoop that I saved out of the OxyClean, see? I saved my little scoops. And in fact, I filled some of these right here back up. Just like this right here. Put on the cap. And this is great for the RV. Okay, so a little RV tip. This will give you about, I'd say probably about 10 loads. And let's say you're doing a load of laundry and you want this to be in liquid form, but you don't have enough room for all of those jugs, those 10, 11 gallon jugs from the other recipe that I showed you. Well, I just feel like since it's in cold water or whatever, I think it cleans well when it's a powder, but my suggestion is this. Go ahead, go ahead, regular size load, get a scoop, put it in here. Put this in hot water, let this sit for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, then pour this in with the water as it's going into your laundry or into your machine, wherever you're supposed to load it. And this is high efficiency for machine safe. Let's clarify this. A lot of people ask me, 1 scoop, 1 tablespoon, see this? 1 tablespoon will do a regular load. About 3/4 to half a tablespoon for a very small load. And again, keep the borax out or on a very low down here if you're going to use this for baby laundry, especially if you have a male baby. How true this is about the male hormone inhibitor, but we do know that we don't want to cause our children. So until more information comes out, I'm going to stick with that. And so, like I said, they put this borax, they put it in diaper creams to give you a nice white diaper cream. If it's inhibiting male hormones in children, then we shouldn't use it. So, not in men, we're talking about in babies. So, what we're doing here is I'm just kind of blending it in, making sure I got all the large pieces, and I do. It's a beautiful color, and I just love Zote on its own. If you want to use Zote on its own, or Zote and washing soda, you can make this. The ingredients are readily available at most Walmarts, Tractor Supply stores, lumber centers. These ingredients are available. And in your laundry aisle, you can find the Zote soap, okay? And you can get a white bar or a pink bar. There's no difference between the bars. One has an organic dye in it. This is an organic dye. It's the safe dye for the water streams. A lot of the, and by the way, this is not called Zote. I've been saying it wrong. It's called Zote. Zote? Zote?
In English.
But anyway, in English, it's Zote, okay? All right. So anyway. So for those of you who I taught to pronounce it wrong, I apologize. My Spanish people don't like it, but that's okay. We give them a good recipe and we hope that they use it. All right. We love you. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. I hope this has helped you. Decide to go ahead and start making your own laundry detergent. 1 tablespoon cleans a large load. That's it right here. 1 tablespoon, large load. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to go do some laundry now. And I'm going to show you my house, how clean my house is. My towels are nice and white, and my dishes shine. So be sure and head on over. We had a birthday party here this afternoon. Look how white my sofas are. Right down to how white my doggy is. That's right. I use it on everything. Don't I, Papa? Yeah. So head on over. I'll put some links below, and we'll even talk about dish soap. Does it work, Papa?
Yes, it works.
Does it shine my pots?
Yes, it does.
Okay. And everybody else seems to agree, so I'll leave that link down below for that as well. All right? We love you. We hope you save some money. This is about $10 a year. The powder I have to make twice a year, so that's about, compared to the amount that I used, so it's probably about $14 for every 6 months. If you go liquid and you get the 10 gallons, that usually lasts about 9 months to a year for us. We're 2 people, so it lasts about 9 months to a year for us, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. And the powder, this version, only lasts about 6 months for us, maybe 7. All right,
We love you. Go with God. Blessings.